Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
Pastels aren't just a summer trend anymore, and we spotted this trend in a couple of fashion weeks this year. Clearly, it is here to stay. These yummy colors can be styled with your colors, your neutrals, even prints. Wondering how? Let me show you. An easy way to pull off this trend is by choosing one pastel shade and sticking to the same color family throughout the outfit. Pastels generally tend to make you look fuller, so when you're choosing pieces, try to go for clean and sharp lines. It's subtle yet makes a statement. Just like neutrals, pastels look great when paired with other pastel colors. It gives your whole look a very soft yet bold feel. Try to stick to 2 or maximum 3 colors and stay away from too many cuts, details or drapes, because the color itself makes quite a bit of a statement. Pastels go great with neutrals, something like a powder blue blazer on an all beige outfit. This is how you can make your pastel piece pop out by keeping the rest of your color palette simple. Pastels generally look very soft, so if you want to add a little edge to your look, the best way to style it is with bright and fun accessories. A bright bag or earrings are going to look great against those pastel hues. Keep in mind that your makeup is minimal and neutral. You can go for an earthy tone eyeshadow, nude lipsticks. These shades go with all skin tones. And make sure you try your outfit before you make a purchase. Before I go, guys, did I tell you about the POPxo shop? We have amazing merchandise. We have coffee mugs, cushion covers, phone covers, laptop covers. You have to check it out. The link is in the description below. Also, click selfies with whatever you bought. I would love to see it. And for more fashion tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Fashion.